So I'm going to be using a jump ring, these 1.6cm eye pins, and some 5mm glass beads in there. So I'm going to put the clasp set to one side. That's just a lobster clasp and a jump ring either side there. So that's your eye pin, one side already done. Thread your bead on. If you need to snip an excess off, snip it off, but I'm just going to go with it and see how it goes. Around those pliers. So it's just at the edge there, you can just about feel it. That side. I'm going to roll away from myself. Like that. And then I'm just going to flick back. A bit like a hook shape. Just keep rolling down until it gets as close. As you can see, it looks similar to the other side. That's one section done. Onto a black one. Thread it on. Grab hold. Roll. Just flip it back. Just to create a bit of an angle there. And then roll again. And that's the next one done. I'm just going to show you how to attach these two together. So I just make sure that I attach my loop that I've made to the original loop on the other one. So you've got one neat, one possibly rough. Yours may be amazing. Mine are not identical. They never are. Flatten those pliers. Just grab hold of one end and you're going to twist either away or toward yourself, but you're just going to back like that, so it's just opened up slightly. There's a little bit of a gap there. And you just pop that in. You may need to make it a bit bigger. Do it a bit at a time. That's cut on like that. And close. You're just doing it similar to how you would with jump rings, head pins, or earring hooks. That's it. You can see that there. So to finish it off, all you're going to do is just open, like I've done there. I open that loop and attach that jump ring. I've opened this loop and I'm attaching that ring there. And just twisting back, and that's it. That's your bracelet finished. And then it just opens and closes like that. So on there I have 3, 6, I've got 17 of the 5mm beads, 17 of the 1.6 centimetre eye pins. You can make it out of just plain wire and put the loops at either side, but these are just some eye pins that I've got ready made. So these are 0.8 millimeters in thickness, and there, 2 jump rings and a clasp, and then I've used round nose pliers and 2 pairs of flat nose pliers there. The kits to make this are available on our website or at our shop, Bradford Bead Shop.